Hey everyone, welcome to Vegworks. Today I'm making a video after a very long time, almost a month. Hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to be making tapioca vada or tapioca fritters, and we are going to be using fresh tapioca. For those who don't have access to fresh tapioca, I've shared another video earlier using tapioca pearls. I'll share it in the link. You can check out the description below. So let's get started. Now we need to peel the skin and cut it into small cubes. But we got to remember two things. First, when we peel the skin, we have to keep it under water because it gets discolored very fast. Keep it under water for about 10 minutes and then cut it into cubes and put it back under water. Now I've already done that, so let's cook this. Now the second thing what we have to do is boil it in a lot of water. So I've got a pot of boiling water here. I'm going to add in the pieces. We need to cook it this way so that we can retain the white color. If we pressure cook it, again it will get discolored, and even when you cook it in the microwave, it gets discolored. So this is the best way to cook it. So we'll not cover this, we'll allow this to cook completely till it becomes soft. This has cooked well. Now we can switch this off and we can strain the water and transfer the pieces to a bowl. While it is still warm, let's mash this up. Once the tapioca is mashed well, we'll add in 1/4 cup of rice flour. This will add to the crispness, just 1/4 cup. Some ginger, about an inch finely chopped. Some onions, finely chopped. Green chilli according to your taste. Curry leaves, finely chopped. That will add to the taste. Some coriander leaves. Finally, some salt to taste. We'll mix this up well. Now this is ready. We can shape them into vadas. We need to take a small portion like this and flatten it out at the center. We can leave it like this, or we can make a hole. They're ready to fry. The oil is hot. We don't want it to be very hot, reasonably hot. Let's deep fry. We'll allow it to get nice and crisp on both sides. It's nice and golden. We can remove it on an absorbent paper. Let's fry everything like this. You can serve the vadas with a chutney or a dip of your choice.